This 2022 Keystone Outback 330RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Keystone is 37 feet 7 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Linwood interior, sleeps 4, smoke detector, LP detector, microwave, external shower, air conditioning, TV antenna, DVD player, slideout, self-contained, oven, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Outback 330RL is 8,770 pounds. This 2022 Keystone Outback 330RL. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.